Well, hello there, parents. This is my chapter review video for chapter 17 for week 10. So let's go ahead and dive right in. This week we are talking about addition stories. We are looking at pictures and teaching them how to add. We're also working on number facts 0 to 5. So let me show you a little bit of what it looks like in my book so that you can better teach it at home. So I will be making a video going over this page. I would highly suggest watching it on your own or watching it with your student because it's going to help a lot. I'll leave it at that. So the vocabulary we're looking at is plus, is equal to, and number sequence. So in these pictures, I'm going to be adding the standing sheep with the sheep that are lying down. The dogs that are the gray dogs and the brown dogs. I don't know how I'm gonna do the cats yet. The horse is drinking versus the horse not. The black cows versus the brown cows, adding those all together. Let me show you what their worksheets look like and some important notes that I have about them. So these first couple shouldn't be too hard. They're counting, writing the number, counting, writing the number, and then adding them all together. What's that end number? They need to know that and plus both are supposed to be this plus sign. Let me tell you why. I don't know why it's like this, but in their workbook, on their workbook pages, they only ever use like 2 and 3 is 5. But on their math test, they want them to know that plus is the plus sign, but they never teach it in the workbook. I don't know why, but they need to know that the word and the word plus both mean plus sign, okay? Let's keep looking. All right, so again, they need to know and the word plus both mean the plus sign. They need to know make and equal mean the equal sign. Again, make and equal, okay? So we have 2 and 4 made 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. I wish that I could explain why they have it set up that way, but I can't. And so just do your best teaching both concepts, helping them to know, because again, when it comes to the test, they really need to do it on their own without any help remembering the concepts that we've taught. I'm going to do my best to be reviewing these concepts while going over their workbook, and I'm actually doing a worksheets video for the lesson 1, so I'll be doing it with them, but just try to really instill those lessons in their head, okay? So let's keep looking. All right, so for this one, we have 3 horses drinking, and they need to be able to look at a picture and make an addition problem. So 3 horses drinking, excuse me, plus 1 horse not drinking equals 4 horses altogether. Help them with this one and have them try and do that on their own with this one. So 2 gray dogs plus 3 brown dogs equals 5 dogs altogether. Let's see what this one is. 4 birds sitting plus 2 birds flying equals 6. Again, they give no instruction. They don't say the birds sitting versus the birds flying, or yellow birds versus blue birds, or like the color. These are problems that they just have to come up with by looking at it. You can help them in that, no problem. I just want to let you know that they don't really give clarification on that. It's more from the teacher side that they expect that. So I'm conveying that message to you. And then it follows suit. The black cows plus the brown cows. Sheep standing up versus sheep lying down. Then we get to lesson 2. Addition facts to 5. They need to be able to add all the numbers between 1 and 5 to know what they add up to. So these workbook pages really aren't that hard. We have 0 and 5 makes 5. 1 and 4 makes 5. 2 and what? 3 makes 5. So here's what I would suggest. I would have them draw the end amount circles. So if it equals 5, draw 5 circles. And then for the addition, you want them to draw the number that they know. So if it's 1, draw 1 circle. Okay, so how many more circles do I need to make 5? So they have the 1. How many more till 5? Okay, so it really shouldn't be too tricky, but they have some questions on their math test that are a little bit tricky, and that the number is missing from different parts of the question. So when they can get that down, when they get that drawing the circles down, that's really going to help them in the long run. And actually, I'm going to try and make a video to go like right after this, so we'll see if it attaches, showing you exactly what I mean. I hope this is helpful. If you have questions ever, always feel free to reach out. We're in this together and we're almost there, so great job. Alright, here's a quick video on what I meant by the circles. So this is actually a question right off of their test, so hopefully you'll get it. So if my total amount is 5, I'm going to draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, wow, really good circles. 4, 5. And I know I have 3 circles already. 1, 2, 3. They are trying to figure out how many circles are right here, right? So ask them, say, okay, I need 5 circles in total. I have 3. How many more do I need? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many circles did I need? 2. Or another way is they could mark out 3. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And they would have 2 circles left, and they would know that they need two circles, okay? Same goes for each of these. Look, we have a number missing in different spots, so these are all at the end. So adding should be pretty easy. But then this one, you're missing the number right here, missing the number right here, and missing the beginning numbers, okay? So hopefully that's helpful. If you need more tutorials or help, just reach out, okay?